Hello everybody. You are having a wonderful day today. I hope you killed it in the markets. You did great, and you are getting ready for tomorrow. So let's go over and see what in the world is going on with the SPY, uh, with the VIX, with the QQQ. Let's go over the markets and see where we headed. So if you haven't liked and subscribed my videos, go ahead and do that so you get notified when I do these lives, and you can learn and take what you can from it, and maybe give you a little bit extra of that confidence that you need to start trading your trades. What's up, Mr. Steven? Did good, man. We did good. Let's go over the SPY really quick. So SPY, again, look at this, guys. Hitting our targets down here on SPY. You can see we have this support. And I told you the first support that we had was here. We did bounce. On this one, we also had an intraday bounce. On this one as well. And today, after hours, we came and hit really close to this support line. So tomorrow, am I expecting a bearish day? Unfortunately, the way it looks right now is we might get a slight bounce, and then it might continue. Why? Because we see the momentum, strong to the downside. We have a flat top, which means continuation to the downside. Look at that red volume, as well as the momentum squeeze here, firing to the downside, and we just continue to fall to the downside. So we need to find support in one of these areas, or it can get very, very ugly. We come all the way down to this area. So if we look at the VIX today, in the chat, in the Discord, we were looking at the VIX, and we were nailing the plays here on support and resistance on the VIX, and knowing where the SPY was gonna bounce. But you see this VIX is doing just the opposite. We have momentum to the upside. Fire the squeeze along here. Flat bottom, which is just the opposite of a flat top, means momentum still to the upside. And if we go to the hourly here, you could see that 23 was a very crucial area here, and we broke it. We broke it today, and it seemed like it rejected. No, we came in close behind it, but now we're testing this area again. So very strong momentum to the upside on the VIX. And if we go back to the SPY, you'll look at what we're looking at on the hourly is the support area. So this is why I'm thinking that we can have a little bounce tomorrow, because we have this trend that we're bouncing off the 1 hour, and you can see that we hit it again. So chances are we can come and do this tomorrow, and then reject and come and continue the downtrend until let's go back to the daily here really quick. Until we hit this lower support line. So we're gonna be doing that zigzag until we hit this support line, and hopefully we can find some support there. We can stop the bleeding to the market and bounce back. But if not, then we'll continue to play on the way down. We can make money both ways, up or down. Hey, what's up, Mr. J? Happy New Year, man. Good to hear from you guys. So that's how everything's looking, guys. Let's go to the Qs here. Again, momentum to the downside. And I mean, eventually, if we keep going, this is what we're looking. So tomorrow, again, everything's looking bearish, guys. We got a flat top, close on red volume with momentum, just tilting to the downside. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see there, we came and we touched those same resistance there. We hit it. We kind of bouncing off of it, but we're gonna continue to down. So same thing as the SPY. We'll probably come and hit here, and then have a potential bounce, and then come back down until we hit that daily support on, yeah, about 352. So we'll see. We have this support right here. Let's go ahead and draw it. So 360 on Qs and SPY. I think same when we hit there on the Qs, we'll be hitting around this level on the SPY, 448. So yes, sir. So that's what's going on, guys, with the market. Hopefully everybody's staying safe and doing well. Today I traded Tesla and I traded Microsoft and Msft. So Microsoft today, you can see we got a doji, indecision candle. It's not 100% a doji, but we still ended up red and momentum is kind of shifting. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But on the 1 hour, it is holding support here on the 1 hour. So if we're still holding this support, this could be a play again tomorrow. And we can come and test that 310, 312 area again. And we may be doing this until we break out either to the upside or to the downside. But this one had a great setup in the morning. Had this break of this downtrend right here that I was looking at. We also, if we go to the 10-minute, so I had a great structure that I liked in the pre-market, and at the open, because I took Tesla first trade, I kind of missed this one. I had to wait for a dip, and then we executed and made some money on it, and then we got this reversal right here, and we also made we rode it up to all the way to the top here, almost. I think we hit VWAP around this area, one of these candles, and we took profits there. But great trade. So the 10-minute here at 8:30, you know, everything looked great. The 1 hour is breaking down trend. I saw volume coming in, breaking this resistance. So I really like Microsoft, and it did well, made us some money. And then Tesla. Let's see what Tesla's looking like today. So watch Tesla here. Momentum, it's going to the downside today, close red, kind of doji candle. So we'll see which way it goes tomorrow. We might get a bounce because of some support here. We might get a bounce to the upside. Plus the 1 hour, the 1 hour we go to it, we're holding some support there at the 1 hour. You'll see this support that we're holding here at 998. So every time we come to this $1,000 level, you know, we bounce back. So keep an eye out for tomorrow for Tesla, for around these levels, and look for a reversal to catch it to the top. You know, we might come and reject here again, but that's, again, you're looking at 20-30 points. So it's a good one. I definitely would be kind of cautious playing puts around this area, because every time we get to this area, there's a lot of buying in this area. So I would be careful here. So let's get to our inside bar plays for tomorrow. First, we have CRWD. You could see here on the daily, we're hitting some nice support areas here, where every time we've come, you know, we bounce right back. 1, 2, 3, and where, again, last time we came in here earlier in the week, or last week, we bounced off, and we're testing this area again. So watch this one. On the 1 hour, we're inside this wedge as well that I love to keep an eye on, because on the 1 hours when these form, you can play them really well. You can play these bounces right here, bounce to the top, you know. So you buy some, you go to the upside, and you close most of your position here and keep something in case, you know, you kind of squeeze above it. But keep a level right here for to grab some for a reversal on CRWD. That one's looking like pretty nice there. PENN, this on the inside bar. This looks bearish tomorrow. So this has just been bleeding here for some time now. Look at that. So since we're back from all the way over here from what is this, March, it's just dying down. So keep this one for some puts tomorrow. They even cut their price today from 73 to 59. Okay, they had a price cut, so they had a downgrade there. So let's go to the 1 hour. So it's an inside candle again. If you've been watching my videos, you know how we play inside candles. You buy the break to the top of the bottom. In this case, it looks like we're going down, and so tomorrow break of daily low of today, you play puts. So yeah, the looking bearish here. So break of the support, you know, buy something to the downside, hold it. This thing is not done going down. If you look at the daily, let's look at the weekly. So around 38, maybe you can get a bounce, but I still think it'll break. It'll continue to go down, especially if the market is just bleeding. So keep that on watch for tomorrow if you want to play some puts on that. Then we got team. This is the weekly. You can see we have some room to come down. You see also my target there on team. But let's go to the daily. Okay, you see the trend there. So team, we got a doji candle closed on red volume with very low volume. So chances are, how we play doji candles, if you're new to my channel, you're watching for the first time, is you not only is this a doji candle, but it's an inside candle. So what's an inside candle? An inside candle is a candle that closes inside the prior candle. That's an inside candle. And how do we play those? We play either the break of the top or the break of the bottom. If you see a weak market, you can anticipate the break and get in before. But if you want to be safe, you want to play the break confirmation. So tomorrow, this is looking weak. You can definitely, if the market bounces though, you could play to the upside. But right now it's looking weak. Look like we're going down. Got very, well, it's a small candle, smaller than the previous one. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But we do have this wedge here on the 1 hour. And if we break, definitely confirms. If we break this, definitely confirms you can push it to the downside and have a target around this area right here. Okay, so tomorrow puts for team, if we break that doji to the downside, you know, and have it come, you can lock something right there and then lock the rest of the chairs right there, definitely on that support. So that's what we are looking for on team tomorrow. So these are great plays, guys. ABNB also inside bar candle here. We are holding support on ABNB. Could come. We're right at support. If we go to the 1 hour, you'll see we're right on it. And so if anything, we break that, we can move 2 more points down here. But definitely, if this holds, we can come and then we can come and test here. Now if this breaks, like for Friday, this would be a good play to the upside and come and touch that trend right there. So take advantage of this plays, guys, in the 1 hour. Don't just say, oh, it's going down, it's going down. Especially if you're holding options. Yeah, it might continue, the trend might still continue down, but you can take advantage of these bounces on support. You know, you can, you know, just because you're bearish on the market doesn't mean you can't make money, you know, on this bounce, and then you can short it back over here. So make money both ways. Don't just let your money evaporate while it's going up and down, especially in options. Play the bounces. We have BABA as well on the daily. So BABA finally broke trend here. We can come and test this area right here on BABA. So watch that. That's an inside bar as well. Again, wait for the break confirmation. We go to the 1 hour. So watch BABA. This would be first target there. And then we can come down here, this trend right here. So BABA as well. Wait for confirmation and then to the downside. We have PFE, Pfizer, coming down, and we have this area of support there at 51. It looks like all the stocks we're getting near those big support areas on a lot of this stocks, so we could have a couple more days of downside. This would be nice right here on Pfizer, on this trend line. So you see this big run, then we found support here, have this nice trend line. So we can come and test this 43, get long again. So Pfizer inside bar, watch. Doesn't mean that you can play it on a daily basis, depending on what the hourly looks like. You can play it up and down. But overall trend, I think we're going to continue until we get this area. Then we have Disney. Disney here holding support on this daily. So we're kind of building this higher lows and higher highs. So let's watch Disney tomorrow. It did turn red here. So now we're closing below EMAs. Flat top, red volume, inside bar. So it could move. What, 186? I think I'm thinking we're still gonna hold this area of support. I think Disney still holds there. So it might not be well for puts unless we break this area of support. Then yeah, we can come to 145. But I think it's gonna hold and we're gonna bounce. So something to watch on Disney here, especially on Friday. We can get some lottos here for a bounce on Friday. It'd be nice. So that's Disney. Oh, what else do we have? Netflix has earnings tomorrow, I believe. I believe earnings tomorrow on Disney. So watch this one, guys. For tomorrow, Netflix, it closed an inside bar. We are close daily support here. You see my target there. Let's go ahead and move it. So very close to target. You could see I have an alert there. So we'll see how Netflix does tomorrow. I was interested in getting some dip buys in these areas on Disney, on shares for a potential bounce. So still looking good. Let's see what Disney does tomorrow. I mean, not Disney. This is Netflix. I'm sorry. Netflix. That's basically it. That's what we are looking at. Facebook bouncing off this support area here. We did hit target there, but we are bouncing off support here. Inside bar, doji, or kind of an indecision candle. Green volume. We'll see. We could get a bounce maybe tomorrow. Have this downtrend. So that's pretty much it, guys. Is there anything you guys want me to look at before we finish the stream? Steven is still trading SIG. How'd that do today, buddy? Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, inside this wedge, really nice. But the daily looking good as well. So if we coil around here, it's gonna fire either to the top or the bottom. Let's keep an eye on this one. And something also that's on my scanner here is KSS. Okay, if you want to calls here, I've never traded this one, but if you're interested in it, that's real nice volume. I'm not too sure why. We got nice volume here on the daily, on the prior 2 days, but this thing has room to almost hit it today, 53. If we can break above that, we have room to 58. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so this is what KSS, which is calls, can do tomorrow. Come here, okay, and then have a bounce to the top. So it's on this range, and when this type of stocks have this range, you can kind of play the bounce. All right, if there's nothing you guys want me to check out, then we're gonna go ahead and close it. Not very much, guys, kind of choppy. But if you like this one, you can watch it. Definitely momentum's to the upside. Okay, so far I had news, so you know, didn't do much today, just kind of traded sideways. Traded in a range. So maybe watch this one for tomorrow. See if we can break this flag here. This is 10 minutes, so watch pre-market. And if it stays below here and it's still wandering around, break at 1470 could definitely come into play and test this area right here. So watch SoFi tomorrow. And we're still consolidating here, and we break this area. Could be a good Good play there. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your like. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you do. So you can take advantage of kind of give you a heads up of where the market's heading. If you want to trade with me live, go ahead and click on the link to my Discord channel to sign up for my Discord channel at the bottom. And you can try it out for 30 days. Trade live with us. If you want to learn more about options, you know, I'm kind of guiding you live in the morning. So go ahead and sign up for that if you like. But other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great rest of your night. And remember, get a good sleep. Wake up early, plan your trading, and trade your plan and execute tomorrow. So let's go kill it tomorrow, guys. I'll see you guys mañana. Adios. God bless. Stay safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.